Hello friends, today we are going to discuss very interesting topic and the name of the topic is Travel with Family, Class 3 Subject Science. Dear students, does your family go on holidays to new places? Yes, you have seen that your parents packing everything carefully before going on holidays, right? So in this lesson, we are going to learn about planning a tour, the need for travel, traveling for adventures, and traveling with friends. During holidays, people travel with their family and friends to different places. Usually, people visit new places when they go on a tour. Do you remember your school tour? Or we can say that school trip? We are visiting many different types of places. You remember all your school tour. So let us see in this lesson we are going to learn about travel with our family members. So what is mean by tour? A journey for pleasure in which several different places are visited is called tour. When we visit a new places, we may not know where to go and what to do. We may not even know the type of clothes suitable for that place. So it is very important to plan tour in advance. We can learn many things in a tour. Family tour help us in many ways. We have to spend some time with our family members. Let us see the introduction. A trip, it is a long journey, or we can say that a trip with visit to various places of interest for business, pleasure, or instruction. There are three primary reasons for taking a tour. One, to learn, to assess, and to teach. We can learn many things in a tour. Family tour help us in many ways. We have to spend some time with our family members. The trip is a short journey taken for a particular purpose such as business or pleasure. It is a journey for pleasure in which several different places are visited. Do you like to go on picnic? Yes. A picnic is a meal that you eat outside, often in a park and often sitting on a rug and you are playing a lot. You are going to picnic with your family members to enjoy a lot, to play a different things. So when we visit a new place, we may not know where to go and what to do. That tour is an experience of being guided around a place, whether a city, a country, or something smaller. So for this purpose, there is a need of planning. So we are going to learn about importance of planning, why there is a need of planning. Let's see. The first one, that is, you must choose the destination that allows you to gather a sweet memory. First, we have to decide the destinations. We decide the place according to the season, things to do, and the money we can spend. This is the first stage of planning. You must consider all the factors, that is, who are you traveling with, how much time do you have, what are your preferences, what to go, and what season do you prefer. So we have to remember, we have to plan all these things. Means first thing, we are deciding the place. Means whether you are traveling alone or in a group, planning is advanced is the best way to save time and make the experiences unforgettable. So second, that is mode of transport. So we have to plan mode of transport. Means we decide the place according to the season, things to do. Means we can travel by road, rail or air. We need to book bus, train or plane tickets accordingly. That mode of transport is very important. After this, we should pack our bags well in advance. We must remember to carry the important things like ID card, like passport or visa. These are the important things we needed, like tickets, like important documents and the medicines. We must also carry our clothes again toothbrush, and sometimes we may even need to carry umbrellas also, warm clothes also, and different things, and with that food also. Yes, we may also carry along a camera to record good memories, right? Means after the selection of place, we have decided the mode of transport, means how we are going. Means after deciding on the destination, you have to choose the mode of transportation and book the tickets in advance. Next one, book comfortable lodging. Accommodation is one of the major expenses to consider. The place where you spend your night is really important. You can find the cheapest lodging by getting the best value for money. Means we have to decide, we have to book lodge. Next one, checking of passport. It is also very important that for a foreign trip you will need a passport. If you don't have it, apply 2 months before the trip, and if you already have it, checked for the expiry date. This most of the countries require 6 months of validity. If you are planning to visit foreign, that passport is must. This you will never try to miss the must visit attractions. This after the selection of the destination place and the important things, we have to decide the different new things what we are going to see. We have to decide the places. The best way is to Google or to read the blogs, or you can ask someone who had been there. This we have to decide the different types of places. Next one. Means we can make a list of things to do or to see. A planned trip will help you to save your time. So we are deciding the places. We have to learn important planning things. You have to remember, choose a travel destination, mode of transport, booking a lodge or ticket. If you are planning to go to the foreign, so you have to check your passport, visa, and the places and the important food that you have to decide. Now we have learned how to plan a tour. Let us now find why people travel. People travel for various reasons. So now we will learn about need for travel. So first one, refreshment. So because of refreshment, we are planning a tour, right? That everybody gets tired or bored of daily activities, right? So it is good to go on a tour to get refreshed. Means everybody like to enjoy in the park. You are enjoying in the park, you are enjoying various different types of toys like swing, like slides. So to refreshment, we are planning a tour. Means friends are very important in our lives. We are planning to go with our family members and with our friends also. Then friends are very important. Means when you are playing with your friends, so you are enjoying a lot. Because friends are the only person with whom we can share our problem. We can solve anything, happiness, and we can get suggestions from them. Traveling with friend is a fantastic experience. So we have to plan with our friends and with our family members also, right? So next one, that we are planning a tour to meet our extended family members. These people may also travel to visit their extended families. They may celebrate festivals or special occasions together during the holidays. That extended family is a family that includes not only parents and children but also other relatives. Third need of travel, that is gain knowledge. Some people travel to learn new things, to learn about different traveling. Can teach you more than you knows. Means we have to learn many more things with the help of this traveling, right? Next one, job and business. Means some people can travel to far away places for their job, for their work, for their business. And the last one, that is religious tours. Means many times we are visiting the different types of places for our religious importance. These are the need for the travels, right? Means we have learned that people travel with their family members for refreshment, knowledge, business, and so on. But there are some people who travel with their family for an adventure purpose. So let us see some adventure sports like hiking, mountaineering, camping. Means they may also take part in different adventure sports. Means some adventure sports are skydiving or the rafting. Next one, that is skiing or the scuba diving. These are the most important adventure sports that people are planning to go on tour. Like paragliding, this is also adventure sport. Actually, adventure sports are very dangerous. So we should carry proper safety equipment to perform them. They should not be performed without expert supervision. Without proper guidance, they can cause serious injuries also. So we have learned many more things in this session. I hope you may have understood what is meant by tour, need for the traveling, and what are the importance of planning tour. So thank you and have a nice day.